Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, again in the middle of the night. But I just couldn't wait anymore to unbox these. About my health, I've had a bad day, but I really wanted to see these because I think this is a perfect pair of shoes.
Don't get hip
So as you can see in the description, this is the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found. And I'm gonna talk about them, what I think is the story behind, and some more. The funny thing about these is that there were so many experts coming with rumors saying they're gonna release 500,000 pairs, which would make this shoe the most produced Air Jordan shoe. Not skip the years, but the biggest Air Jordan release ever, 500,000 pairs. That was not correct. And even if it was 500,000 pairs, it would still be hard to get their hands on because many of the people wanted 2 pairs. I wanted 2 pairs. I actually got 2 pairs, but one of them wasn't my size. So they went to a friend in Stockholm. But everybody wanted these, and I'm happy for that. And I'm happy over that. Even non-sneakerheads wanted these, and I think that's great. The reason why I wanted 2 pairs was because one of the rumors was that these are made to look older faster. So the paint is made to drop off. That is not true. I really don't think so. And now people hate the release. After the release, the sneakers app has changed the way of the raffles. People are hating so much, and many pairs, and this is not the first time, have a problem with mold. So many shoes are being sent back from the stores, being scrapped directly at the Nike factories, etc. And my experience is that when we have shoes made in many pairs, many more than usual, or when they wait with the release, they usually get a problem with mold. We've seen this so many times before. Sometimes they release the shoes anyway. They go to an outlet store instantly or something like that. What's the shoes that I'm thinking about now? Air Jordan 13 Mellow, I think. They had mold, so never mind. The shoes look like this, or the box. And the whole thought about this and why the box looks so old is that this is supposed to be a pair of shoes forgotten in a mom and pop store since 1985. And after this shoe have been released, we have seen shoes being dead stock since 1985, and it looks similar. I'm going to show you some details. The thing we got wrong here is the lid. It's not supposed to be this orange Nike lid. This is the basic lid. So that takes me to think about outlet stores, because outlet stores, then the shoes are like this. Only the box, no lid. And the lid is used from any other box. The papers are from ads in papers, I guess, from that day when the original shoe was released. The Air Jordan 1 Chicago was first released in 1985. Then we waited 10 years to 1995. Then we got the 2013 release that was kind of hard in the leather. And then we have the 2015 release, which I have, and those are great in leather. The 2013 release I skipped because a friend of mine wanted them instead. So the small store here in Malmö that got those shoes, I bought them for him. So if there were to be found, oh, this smells so good. If there were to be found a pair of shoes that have been in storage or in layer or whatever for almost 40 years, it would look something like this. Like fresh, but the leather would be cracked, the paint would be cracked. And the sole on the pair of shoes that we now have seen that have been dead stock since 1985 does not look like this. And I think that the other sole look even worse. Yeah. So this is dry rubber. And I think this is so right to do, because if you are going to release a retro pair of shoes, make them either perfect, like the Air Jordan 3 Fire Red, or like this, with a patina, with a vintage look over it. I really, really like this. I think we have, yeah, exactly. We have the receipt in the box as well. So the receipt, handwritten from the mom and pop store, says that it was sold in 1986, which means that the shoes was in storage for a year. Air Jordan basketball shoes, paid cash, final sale, and the price can't be seen. $44.99, I think. So yeah, I think this is really, really cool. This is a box that I don't want to throw away, actually. So the shoes then, people claim that this is going to crack. And the reason why I wanted two pairs is one that I can beat the crap out of, just to prove to everyone that they are not that sensitive, and one pair to keep dead stock. So yes, they will maybe crack a little bit more than these, because these are really nice. The leather on these, the 2015 pair, are really nice. But these won't look bad, not in many years or many wears and tears. Absolutely not. Many people have put off-white laces on them instead. I think that is perfect. These are too white to be on this pair of shoes that are supposed to look old. So I'm gonna find me, I probably already have, a pair of Resale of off-white laces and put on, because that is perfect on these. And I don't think that we have the 1985 cut on these. Do we? No, I don't think so. Nope, we don't. So the 1985 cut are higher here. So we have the modern Air Jordan 1 look on it, with the cut, but with the patina. Perfect. I just think this is perfect. I'm so happy to have them. I wish that I had two pairs so I can really misuse one of the pairs. I mean, really beat them up, show them no love, just to show everybody that this is how you use your shoes and they won't look terrible. They won't crack the paint. The leather isn't special. It isn't bad, absolutely not. It's just standard Air Jordan 1 leather. We have shoes that are way better and we have some pairs that are worse. The 2013 pair, those are pleather, plastic leather. But the 15s are great. 2015 are great. So yeah, happy to have them. And when the shoes were sold in 1985, I am unsure if the laces were on, like you didn't get two, and if you got two, they were not both like this. But I'm unsure if they were on the first hole like this or loose completely. I'm unsure about that. But this is the way you got shoes before. And Michael Jordan himself, he wanted shoes delivered to him like this because he wanted to tie the laces for himself from the beginning to end. What a wonderful shoe. And the leather smells not like they usually do, almost like pasta. It sounds really weird, and yeah, maybe I'm a bit hungry, but yeah, almost smells like very nice pasta. And the glue, yeah, they smell nice. They don't smell like they usually do, but they absolutely smell nice. And I hope to really beat them up. These I've worn a lot because of the resale prices. The prices on these, I mean, for a while, I think they were like 5,000 euro or something, crazy money. So because of that, these have been my wash the car shoes. I've worn these when it's been raining, and when I'm going to really literally wash my car, I've been wearing these. Used to really show people that I wear them. And I wanted to do the same with these. I haven't checked the resale prices on these now, but the whole rumor about 500,000 pairs, or 500,000 pairs, that was to keep the resale prices down. But I'm pretty sure that they are higher now than they were before their release. So yeah, I'm really happy to have them. And most of the guys that I've been talking with about them got at least one pair. My friend in Stockholm that got the other pair that was sent today, he got two pairs. Another friend, he got three pairs, two for him and one for his dad. Yeah, one more thing. The funny thing about these were that the rumor before the release were that if you have tried to buy 20 pair of Air Jordan 1s and failed, lost the raffle, you would get early access. Here in Europe, it's said in the printing at least, that it was 10 pairs. So if you tried to buy 10 pair of Air Jordan 1 and you lost, then you would get early access. I got early access, but size 12 and size 13 wasn't available. How is that? If I get early access, I'm pretty sure that size 12 won't be sold out, because when they got dropped 2 days later, size 12 was available. So that was really weird. So if anyone out there that also got early access was missing their size, that was not size 12 or 13, let me know, because at the moment it feels like Nike gave me early access to not get my own size. I don't know, but it feels weird. So that's why my friend got that pair. These are from Sneakers and Stuff, so I'm super happy with that. I still want two pairs. This smells so good. Yeah. Like pasta. Like really good pasta. Yeah, I'm hungry, but they smell really good. I think that's it. The story about them, supposed to look like a pair of dead stock shoes from 1985. The wrong lid. Why, we don't know, but it is the wrong lid. That's why maybe they didn't get sold from the beginning. And yeah, they were sold in 1986, so they've been dead stock somewhere else. Or maybe returned, and that's why they have the wrong lid. I don't know the official story from Nike. But super glad to have them. And now the rumor is that 2025, and I think that is correct, we will get a pair of Air Jordan 1 Chicago that looks new. And with the 1985 cut, the higher cut. And that would be great. That would be wonderful to have a pair of those. The rumor was first next year. And I think and I hope that Jordan Brand will drop a lot of cool things next year, 2023. But since these were released in 85, 95, 2013, and 2015, 2025 is the right year to drop them. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, rumors, whatever. Comment. Thanks for watching. Good night. Oh yeah, one more thing. I had a bunch of friends, sneakerhead and non-sneakerheads, trying to help me get another pair of shoes, but I failed. And I raffled myself on at least 15 different sites. But I got 2 pairs. One from sneakers that was not my size, and these from sneakers and stuff.